Okay guys, I got a 2006 Toyota Prius. I've been working on a lot of stuff. The display up here kept going out, so I removed that. I got a skid control issue and then a stroke issue, a stroke sensor issue. I'm going to show you how to fix this stroke sensor issue. So the first thing you're going to do is, if you do have this code, this right here is the stroke sensor. It's attached to the brake pedal, and there's two 10mm bolts right here and right here. It's really awkward and hard to get to, but you just unscrew those two, unhook this connector and pop it out, or you can remove the whole brake pedal assembly, which is a lot tougher, and you can remove it that way. So I'm going to show you right now where it's located. Okay, if we look up here, okay, it's right there. There's a 10mm bolt right there, and then one over there. If you can't see that from there, let's see. Okay, right there. Check this out. There's one right there. The 10mm bolt right here. And then there's one on the other side over here. And this is the sensor right here, the connector right here. And it's just hooked to the actual brake pedal. Right here, this brake pedal. Sorry if this is kind of hard to see, but that's where that's connected. You can see the connector right there. And then a 10mm bolt over there, and then there's one over there. Okay, so the issue is, once you replace it, you're going to have to calibrate it. So we're going to go to live data, and I'm going to kind of show you how to do this, not actually on the brake pedal, but with this one right here. Okay, so you're going to have a scanner. You're going to scroll down until you get to, let's see, pedal stroke sensor 1, pedal stroke sensor 2. So stroke sensor 1 has to be at 0.8 volts. Stroke sensor 2 is supposed to be at about 4.2 volts. So what you're going to do is you're going to loosen these 10mm bolts. You can kind of move this around. And while you move this, these two values change. So you're going to move it until it hooks up to the values that you need, and then tighten the bolts so it stays like that. So again, it's sensor 1 is 0.8 and sensor 2 is supposed to be 4.2. From there you can reset the code and that should fix it. If not, you may have an issue with the wiring harness. So let's figure this out. Okay, to reset the ABS lights, the first thing you're going to do is put a paper clip 1, 2, 3, 4 on top, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the bottom. So hook that in and turn it on until it's in the ready.